Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ontario Vintage Tractor. Today's not a good day. We're spreading with Butler Outdoors Massey Harris, and either that tractor just got way too much power, or I'm asking way too much out of that old spreader. As you can see, I've began to unload the spreader, and I had to do it with that. And nobody ever wants to do this. So what happened is we put a fresh load on it. I was just gradually adding more and adding more and adding more because the spreader was working pretty good. And we found the limits of the apron chain. We bought this spreader with a broken apron chain, and now it's got another one. So I had to shovel it at the back. Hopefully I've got enough that I don't have to unload this whole thing by hand and I can fix it. And hopefully we can get it back in action tonight. So stay tuned. Here we go. So the first thing we have to do is get ourselves some slack in the apron chain. We'll start by backing these off, and that'll at least drop the lower portions. Hopefully we can wrap it up and we won't have to empty the whole thing. Again, this is really only my first time doing this, so we'll see. It might not go as planned. And one thing after another, both drive chains already and the apron chain. But I mean, when you buy them for 500 bucks, you know there's going to be some fun. And by fun I mean irritation. That moved back all right. Let's see if the chain loosens up for us. Awesome. Well, it just might work. All right. So on this section we had 6 links and 6 links. So I have an old chunk of chain. I'm just going to cut these ones off and we'll make 6 new links on each side and then join it up. All right, so this is my hunk of used chain. We're gonna cut 6 links off of each side and get ready to mate it up, and hopefully this will be a quick fix and we can get back to spreading. All right. There's one side that makes 6 links, and then we'll add one to the other side. All right, now for the hard part. We're gonna try and get that chain up inside there and reconnected.
Looks like you're there.
It'll be close. Yeah, pretty much there, right?
It just fell down a little bit since you got up.
You pass me that hatchet? If that goes, we're laughing. Well, this definitely could have been worse depending on where it broke. Yep. That helped. Like that. And get it to start. Get it to begin it turning in. Good. That's it.
None.
Well, that could have been worse.
Yeah,
Not gonna lie, I was depicting this being a much worse battle. The problem is getting it to center back up. I guess I'll just add tension and go from there. All right, well, we took a good chunk of weight off the spreader, and we got the chain in there. It's not adjusted yet, but I'd like to try and get the load off, and hopefully it's not gonna break on me. It'll work and get through, and then I can adjust the chain properly. So we took quite a bit of weight out of there, and we'll get the massey fired up and see how it goes. Well, that was the best of a worst case scenario. We got the load out, it spread it, and now we can go ahead and adjust the chain properly and hope it doesn't happen again. So as always, thanks for watching. If you could smack that subscribe button down at the bottom, give the video a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one.